everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. Being pregnant, I have found it super difficult to find good shapewear, but these shorts from Diravo have been super perfect. I love how nice and stretchy they are, and that they have the part that sucks everything in, but it's not too tight. They're very comfortable and they stay where you put them. I love the design of these. You can see where it gives you the extra space, and also this lining at the bottom of the hem is perfect. It keeps them exactly where you want them to be. It also gives you space for your butt, and it is great that they don't show through. So even if I'm wearing a tighter dress like this one, you can't see the shapewear underneath at all. I love that so much, and no underwear lines is perfect. Even with a flowier dress that is thin, it works perfectly. If you're pregnant and looking for some good maternity shapewear that doesn't dig in too much and stays put, I highly recommend these ones. They're super comfortable and I wear them all the time, and that's my point of view.